Are we recording? Hello? Hi, I'm back. I know it's been a while. But I guess I have an unboxing. So we should just get right to it. Majority of these items are from SpeedCubeShop, including these logo stickers, 3x3s. Very nice. We have some stickers for an original Chi Thunderclap. We can go back 2015. That was a good 3 years before I even started cubing. But I need stickers for Thunderclap, so go ahead and see what they are. I think this is my first time ordering stickers from SpeedCubeShop. Let's see what they look like. So here's the orange, fluorescent orange. Ooh, I love that blue. The white, good old standard white. Ooh, fluorescent green. Yellow, it's yellow. And red. You know, I probably could have gone with a bit darker red, still would have been fine, but I like it. It's very nice. Alright, on to the puzzles. We have cube, 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 and cylinder, kind of. Let's start with the tall one. There's plastic wrap. You know what would make this job a heck of a lot easier? This. Gotta be careful. Do not want to cause injury to myself. Oop, there we go. Let's open this up. Now the only other clock I have is a magnetic Lingao, so this is going to be quite the upgrade, I believe. I know I'm way behind on getting a Chi clock, but if it's worth it, it's worth it, and I definitely believe it'll be worth it. If I can get the box open. And indeed I can. Let's go. Ooh, we got white. It's a little bit of an off-white, bit of a cream color, but I don't mind. Oh. The pins just moved. Okay, we have this person, and a clock, and the same clock. Oh, wow. That looks nice. And Chi has a pamphlet for it. Very nice. And, oh, it comes with a stand. Just sits there. Fairly securely, I'd say. Put the stand back in the box, because we're not here for the stand. We're here for the puzzle. Does it fit? It should, because that's how it came here. Good enough. Clock. Alright, so I know we already moved the pin, so I guess let's try that. Oh wow, that's so light. Such light magnets compared to my Lingao. You can still feel the click, you know when they're up or down. But definitely light. Alright, first turns. Yeah, look at that. That's really fast. And this time, that's even. Is the white side just faster? Yeah, I think the white side, when just doing like a couple pins, is even faster. But hey, at least this one comes with screws and everything, so I can open it up and lubricate it rather than having to break the case like we did for the Lingao. Yeah, very nice. I look forward to setting it up and doing some solves with it. Next up, we have the WRM 2021 Maglev. Right? Maglev? Alright. Just going to call this the Worm 21 Maglev. Just because it's simpler, less syllables. it out of the plastic wrap. Alright, this is certainly a box, right? Alright, good. Box. Ugh. Can I open box? Indeed I can. Classic. It's just like standard Moyu. Is there anything different in the accessories box from what I know from like the GTS 3M? Oh! Change the color. Okay. Yeah, they changed the color. It used to be a lighter blue. Okay, so the cube case tutorial and disassembly and reassembly. Interesting. Oh, this is for spring compression and magnet adjustment. And then these, I have no idea how to use these. If anybody knows, let me know in the comments. I don't want to bother looking at papers. This, I think, is actually for the magnet adjustment tools, but not necessary. So I'll put these off to the side, as well as those. And let's get to the cube. Ooh. Hello, what's this? Oh, it's just the team. Founder of Moyu, David. Hello, David. Alright. There's the cube. That looks surprisingly like my 356X, except it has a Moyu logo. Get the box out of the way. Oh yeah, it's a Moyu matte. Almost forgot. Case, just like the GTS 3M that I have. Feels decent weight, not as heavy as something like a GTS 3, but I'm sure it's decent. Like I said, this is maglev. This is going to be my first magnetic cube. I'm sorry, not my first magnetic cube, my first maglev cube. And it's also going to be my first cube with adjustable magnets, not swappable magnets. Now, apparently it's supposed to have purple internals. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, that's purple. Purple, purple, purple. That sounds weird. You say it enough. Go and let me know if you think it's also weird. Alright. No, I'm going to leave the center caps for now. Let's try maglev. What? Okay, corner cutting. Okay, out of the box, corner cutting isn't great. It's on fairly decent tensions. Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna have a little trouble with this if I were solving just like how it is. I think out of the box the magnets are alright. Yeah, I'll definitely have to work around with this a little and see what I think. Let's do there we go. Just do a little super flip. Honestly, it's showing up a little darker on camera, I think, than what it is in real life. Yeah, they're just like the shades on the Meilong M. But yeah, overall, decent puzzle out of the box for $30. Definitely do, I'm sure, probably worse. I don't know of any examples off the top of my head, but yeah, definitely spend some time with this puzzle, set it up, and see what I think. Next cube. That's right, the X-Men Tornado V2M. I've heard plenty of great things about this puzzle. Ooh. Just bonk the box. Try not to... Yeah, oh, and, oh, I heard that. I cut the box. I cut the box. No. No. I don't like cutting the box. Yeah, this, when I took it out of the main packaging, I was surprised how big the box is. Ooh. Oh, okay. I like that. That is cool. So I guess it shows you some of the features of the cube. And this is just like the ones that I have for my Volk 2M and the Volk 4M. Except this base is white and it holds a 3x3. Anything interesting in the accessories box? It's so much easier to open. Oh. Make sure. Okay, good. No sensitive information. No one's stealing my credit card. Good. Cleaning cloth, just like the ones I have for the aforementioned cubes, the Volk 2 and the Volk 4. Except this time it's white. This looks like, yep, the features pamphlet. Not gonna get too much into that. Oh, what the? Okay, this ain't a cloth bag. This is like, well, it's not leather, but it's fake leather, whatever the heck that's called. Very nice. This is the adjustment tool. Why is the screwdriver plastic? Why can't it? Ooh. Ooh. It comes with a metal screwdriver, plastic flathead, and the adjustment tool. Oh, it's... It only fits one way, okay. It's magnetic too, I like. And what else? This is just the tutorial pamphlet. Don't need, but thank you. Thank you very much, X-Man Design, but I do not need. Yeah, I don't know why they mark it. Well, I don't know why they put tutorial pamphlets in with these puzzles, because they market them towards higher end speed cubers, obviously. Nobody's going to spend 25 bucks on, or 30 bucks, or even 50 plus dollars on the first speed cube. Yet they still include the tutorial pamphlet. Also, if anyone knows which way I'm supposed to hold the logo, let me know in the comment section. I cannot figure it out. Okay, good. You do open. And yeah, that's just... Oh, I see. It ain't even printed. It's just a little thing in there. Is just held in by static. Alright, I see your game, X-Man. Cube. Let's open it. Can I open it? Please? 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 May I please open you? Thank you. Camera. Good. There we go. This feels lighter. Got a little lube on the outside. The Worm 21 maglev did not. Black internals. Oh, look at that magnet. All right, first turns. Oh wow. Right out of the box, I feel a lot more potential with this puzzle than the Worm 21 maglev. It just feels so much better. Let's check corner thing. Yeah, corner cutting out of the box is better. Yeah, if I had to pick between this one and the Worm 21 Maglev right out of the box, this one would be an easy win. I like it so much. Just listen. I feel like this cube out of the box isn't a cube you turn fast. You go a little slow. It has such a plush quick feel. It's satisfying to turn it. I don't want to stop, but I know I should because I think I have something even more exciting. And that is the GAN 11M Pro. Why not the 12? Well, because I wanted the 11. I rest my case. Oh, also, see that? It's the UV. I remember when they first released this puzzle, you could not get the UV. They were having problems making it, but I guess they got that sorted out, and now I have this. Yep. Now, can we just take a second to appreciate? Oh, I could do that all night. All right, let's open it. It's so much easier than older GAN boxes to open, honestly. Beautiful. Ooh, a credit card. It's been so long since I've seen an unboxing of this puzzle. So this is basically just a new experience. I love this. CubeStation app. You're not allowed to have this. This is mine. Accessories box. What is in? Ooh. We have a very beautiful dark blue GAN bag. Much smaller logo. Maybe I can tighten the knot a little. There we go. And there we go. I do not want that to come out. Big Chungus. Small. And AirPods. I'm kidding, these are not AirPods. Oop. Ow. Ah. These are the corner magnets, the different center adjustments, and the adjustment tool. Nice. Put these back in the box for now. And now let's take a look at this. Oh man. You guys ready? You ready? I'm gonna do it. Yo, I even opened it to the white blue. This is the way I love to have my cubes. Let's just do that again. But why is this side so much springier? I'll have to look into that. I'm so glad I went with the UV coated. Look, oh wow. Showing up so much better on camera than it is in person, especially because I think I didn't adjust my lighting properly and it looks darker. Yeah, the shades all look brighter in person. That is just beautiful. Gonna do it. First turns on a GAN cube that is newer than the original 356X. Gonna do it. Y'all know I am. You ready? I don't care if you're not. I'm gonna. Oh, wow. Extremely dry out of the box. Don't think there's any lube, which is good, so I don't have to clean it out before lubing it. I have to turn really slowly to feel the magnets. I can definitely tell they're there. I might go with the... Let's see, what setting do these come on? Alright, they come on the second setting, so I might try switching them to the third setting or swapping out the other corner magnets. You know what? I'm going to do a solve. Before I even test corner cutting, I'm going to do a solve. Alright, I'm going to do yellow. Probably keep the cube in focus would be helpful. Alright, now let's try corner cutting. Huh? Come on, Gan, I thought you were good at this. Come on. There we go. Oh, reverse corner cutting. Oh, wow. Okay. One more, because I have to. Fun fact, look ahead behind a camera. Not good. But I remain. Oh, this is just so beautiful. Now this is making me wish I brought timer with me. Yeah, I just love... Well, honestly, I wish the stickerless shades on this were just like they're showing up on camera, because I do prefer slightly darker shades, especially for like my blue and red. Shoot, I wish I knew cube in a cube. You know what? I'm gonna try that real quick. Time lapse. There we go. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Rest in peace, Steve Jobs. Yeah, this is just a beautiful puzzle. I love it. Was it worth $60? Only time will tell. I have to set it up, obviously. Tune it to my preference. And what did I do? Okay. I did something wrong, but I did. Yeah, that's right. I do my algs unconventionally. Alright. I just keep automatically going to scramble. I don't know why. Let's solve on this cube. At least on camera. Okay, yep, Cube. You know what? For the thumbnail. Shoot, which way do I rotate this? You know what? Put the red towards the red. Good enough. Why did I put this in the box? At least this one already had it rotated properly. Purple. Okay, now that I'm turning this again, it's interesting. That's all I'm going to say. Each of these cubes are interesting. Am I really setting up the thumbnail on video? Yes. I'm different. I'm built different. Come on. Come on, you already did it for me once. Come. I'm so sorry. Come on. Come on. There we go. Was that so hard? Apparently. Alright, for the thumbnail. Cubes. Cylinder. I think that's about as close as I'm going to get as calling this a cylinder. Anyways, I think that's going to be about it for this video. Please like if you enjoyed, subscribe for more content sometime within the decade, I guess. Yes, I have run out of words to say. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.